Have you ever looked at your phone and thought, if I spend so many hours on this thing every day, why not make money from it? In 2025, your phone isn't just a device for scrolling through social media or watching videos. It's a complete business tool, literally a money-making machine that fits in your hand. Millions of people around the world are already using their phones to earn. Some make a little extra cash, some earn full-time income. And the best part? Most of them started with zero investment, just like you. Today, I'll show you real, beginner-friendly ways to start earning from your phone. No fake apps, no get-rich-quick traps. Just real opportunities that actually work, if you stay consistent. So grab your phone, open your Notes app, and let's explore how to turn your screen time into income time. Your phone can turn your skills into income, right now. If you can write, design, translate, edit videos, or even do voiceovers, you already have what it takes to earn. Freelancing is one of the fastest ways to start. You can join platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. There, people post thousands of small jobs every day. From writing a short article, to designing a logo, to editing a YouTube video, all from your phone. Even if you don't have a laptop, apps like Canva, CapCut, Google Docs, and Notion let you create and deliver high-quality work easily. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to know a little more than the person hiring you. Start small, do a few simple gigs, get some positive reviews, and slowly raise your rates. You'll be surprised how one good client can change everything. In a few months, your phone could literally start paying your bills. You don't need to sell physical products anymore. In 2025, digital products are booming. You can make something once and sell it forever. Ebooks, digital planners, Notion templates, Canva designs, Lightroom presets. These are all things people buy every day. And guess what? You can create all of them using free tools on your phone. Use Canva to design. Use Google Docs to write. Use Payhip or Gumroad to sell. Once you make your first product, upload it. Then, share your link on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts. The beauty of this method is automation. Someone can buy your product while you're asleep and you'll wake up to a payment notification. That's called passive income, and it's very real. You build once, but it keeps earning. Affiliate marketing is another powerful method, and it's simpler than most people think. You don't need your own product. You just recommend products you actually use or love. When someone buys using your link, you get paid a commission. You can do this through Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Impact, or Digistore24. Let's say you recently bought a phone tripod, a smart gadget, or even a skincare product you like. You can make a short review video on TikTok or YouTube Shorts right from your phone. Show the product, share your thoughts, and add your affiliate link in the description. Every time someone buys through that link, you earn money. You don't need a big following, just trust and honesty in what you recommend. Over time, as you post more reviews, your small audience becomes a community that values your opinion, and that's when income starts to grow automatically. Content creation is where most people are winning big in 2025. You don't need fancy cameras or a big setup. You just need your phone and a message worth sharing. Start by creating short videos on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok. Talk about things you love: fitness, food, motivation, productivity, tech, lifestyle, or personal growth. The key is to give value, teach something, inspire someone, or make them smile. When you post regularly, platforms reward consistency. They push your content to more viewers. And once you build a loyal audience, you can start earning from brand deals, ad revenue, affiliate links, and even your own products. Remember, every big creator you see today started from zero. The difference is, they didn't stop. Your phone can record, edit, and post everything. You just have to start. If you're good at something, teach it. Online tutoring is one of the best ways to earn from your phone. Whether it's English, math, graphic design, or even music, someone out there is ready to pay to learn from you. You can join apps like Preply, Cambly, or ClassGap to teach people all over the world. Or you can start your own small teaching page on Instagram or TikTok. People love short, informative videos. You can share tips, explain concepts, or answer questions, and slowly build your own online classroom. You can record lessons once and sell them as courses, or teach live for a more personal touch. Both ways work perfectly from your phone. Your knowledge is valuable, so never underestimate it. If you love creativity and business, drop shipping and print on demand are perfect for you. Drop shipping means you create an online store, choose products from a supplier, and when someone buys, the supplier ships it directly to the customer. No inventory, no packaging, no delivery headaches. You can build and run your store using your phone with platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or Redbubble. If you prefer design, go for print on demand. Design t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases using Canva. Upload them to Printify or Teespring. Every time someone buys your design, you get paid. That's business automation, your creativity working for you 24/7. Here's something many people overlook: social media management. Small businesses need help managing their online pages. They need someone to post regularly, reply to comments, and engage with followers. If you already spend hours online, why not turn that into a paid skill? With apps like Canva, CapCut, and later, you can manage content for multiple clients right from your phone. You can charge a fixed monthly fee per business and grow your income as you take on more clients. It's flexible, creative, and in high demand, especially in 2025. You can also earn through reselling and marketplace flipping. Use apps like Facebook Marketplace, eBay, or OLX. Find used items like phones, shoes, or gadgets at low prices, clean them up, take good photos, and sell them for profit. It's simple trading, but done smartly. Some people even flip digital items like domains or gift cards. Just make sure everything you do is 100% legal and transparent. Your phone gives you access to global buyers and sellers. Use that access wisely, and small profits can quickly add up. Now, here's the truth: none of these are get-rich-overnight methods. They all require consistency, patience, and learning. You might earn nothing in the first few weeks, and that's okay, because every skill you develop moves you closer to freedom. The people who succeed in 2025 aren't the smartest. They're the most consistent. So instead of trying everything for 1 week, pick one thing and stick with it for at least 3 to 6 months. Track your progress, learn what works, and keep improving. You'll be amazed how far your phone can take you. Your phone can either waste your time or change your life. It all depends on how you use it. Every app you open has potential. YouTube can teach you. Canva can help you design. Instagram can help you grow an audience. And Fiverr can help you get paid. All you need is focus, patience, and consistency. So don't scroll mindlessly. Start building something real. Because your phone isn't just a tool for entertainment, it's your new workspace, your store, and your classroom. And if you start today, by this time next year, you could be earning a full-time income from the same device you're watching this video on right now. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment "I'm starting today" below, because success begins the moment you take action.